How to verify your age on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to verify your age on Roblox. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the more option shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, just tap on account info. And now here, under the account info, simply scroll to the birthday section, and there, if your birthday is incorrect, you can just tap on edit next to your birthday. Otherwise, you can just tap on continue with ID. And there, on the next section, you can correct your birthday if needed, and after that, you can just tap on continue. And here, once you do that, Roblox will now use your camera to verify your age. So there you can just tap continue, and with that, you can select your country as well. So there you can just choose the type of ID you want to use for verification. For example, you can use driver license, passport, or national ID as well. So there, simply select your ID option and allow camera access when the pop-up appears. And there you can hold the front of your ID in front of your camera, and once the camera detects it, take a clear photo, and the app may capture the photo automatically, or you can tap the capture button manually as well. And now here you can just tap on continue and scan the back of your ID and take the photo and tap on continue. And after that, you just have to wait while Roblox process your uploaded images, and this may take a few seconds. And there, after your ID is verified, the app will ask you to confirm your identity with a selfie. So move your face left and right as shown on the screen, and after that, once the selfie is verified and finished, you'll see a message confirming that your age has been verified. And that's it. That's how you can verify your age on Roblox. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.